All right, this is a new recording, which is going to be brief. Our first recording is still on YouTube, but it's too long, so we got a notice to redo it. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're a users group, and there's three of us working on this, but we're around the world and can do anything with short notice. So here is our storefront where there is nothing. Here is our dashboard where there's nothing currently up there. And we have a web app as well. So, but let's show the first part. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use Vertex AI from a Google Cloud Platform project. You'll see it down here, and it will update the description for items that we're going to put on this storefront. You can put them up there so they're here, but you can't make them visible. It's not, the API won't support it. We've learned about that. So let's just run this real quick. So this part is in a Jupyter notebook. Here's where we're pulling in the cloud project. We're setting up the thing, and then right here, so we're giving it, this is just Gen AI stuff, generate a prompt, and we're going to make some action figures. The action figures are going to have variations, so think of like a t-shirt with small, medium, and large sizes as variations. We're going to have two figurines, two action figures with two different types, and this text is the generated text. Come down below. That's the generated text from that. We're going to open up Square Client. We're going to create an item. We're going to create an image for it. Our images are over here in this sample images directory. We're going to do both variations. And then really that's all we're going to do the inventory count. So we're going to say there's like 10 of one and 5 of the other. This is just kind of getting info on it, make sure it's up there. So this bit here where you can't really do it programmatically, but you can see now it's still not there. But over here, it'll be in our library. Close this. So here is our action figure. And there are two. That's the generated text that we use. That's the image that we use. And let me go back and go back to this. And make sure it's visible. Visibility, okay, it's visible. Save. You can't do that, oddly enough, you can't do that with the API. Now, if we were to go here, it may take a while, but it may be up there. Refresh. Refresh, come on. 1, 2, 3, refresh. Let's go back, make sure we're on visible. Online sales, it's visible. 1, 2, 3, refresh. Okay. Shop all, that's our demo store. I think it's just taken a while. All of this ran. This is saved. It's there. Refresh here. Still shows it. It's visible. Okay, come on. Refresh again. Oh, sorry. Visible. My bad. There we go. Okay, give it a little bit of a second. Alright, 1, 2, 3, refresh. 1, 2, 3, refresh. It's definitely visible now. It should be up there. Look at this again. Visible, visible, refresh. It does take a while, so but that should come up. It's visible. That's different. Visibility. What? Did this change? Fulfillment method. Save. Let's see if it's visible now. Hold on a second. Visibility unavailable. Visible. Save. Look at it again. Yeah, so literally, this is visible. Everything's here. We've got all that. Should be now. So just to refresh this, just to make sure nothing is taken off. Alright, it should be ready by now. There we go. So now it's visible. It just takes it a while. So that's part of our delay doing this. All right, so there's our generated text. There's our generated text. I don't have time to do the orders, but if we did the orders, then this thing here, which would do the invoices, you would see another invoice there. That code is over here in the web app for Python code, and if you look, let's go ahead and install that. It's the same thing. So we kept Python and everything, and that's that. Maybe this